Welcome to 68 Benhams Drive in Horley. Come and take a look at this stunning 5-bed detached. But before I show you that, pan that camera around, Brett, and we're in the cul-de-sac part, or the crescent part of the road. No through traffic, lovely and quiet. Let's go and have a look-see. Loads of parking. How many cars do you reckon? 6 cars easily?
6 what?
Gated. Nice and secure. It's been extended, refurbished. Let's go straight through to the main room, the wow room, as I like to call it. Check that out. 1,600 square foot. Huge patio. Look how big the patio is. So the extension, I'll show you that later in the video. The extension has almost doubled the size of the house, or the bungalow. This is a bungalow. Loads of sun, great pergola, side access. Meath Green School is literally 10-minute walk. My kids go there, it's a great school. Now the kitchen looks small, tucked in the corner because the room's so big, but there's loads of cupboard space. Really nice breakfast bar, really high quality finish. Converted garage to give the 5th bedroom with an ensuite shower room. Done really well there. And they've kept some garage space at the front for some storage. Could be a great office, guest room, because on this side of the house, you've got 4 more bedrooms in the bathroom. And my shoes are squeaking, so I apologise now. Double room, end of the corridor. Great size double actually, overlooking the garden. Family bath. For a 5th bedroom, it's a really good size. Big double overlooking the front. Then the main bed. Notice the front door's wide open and it is so quiet around here. Follow me back into the garden because I want to show you the sheer size of the extension. If you've got kids, they've already created a lovely little play area. You've got the pergola, the play area, the Wendy house. And as we pan round in a minute, huge extension. So that was a quick glimpse. That wasn't, it was about that full tour. If you want to come and take a look, meet me here, I'll show you around. I'll see you soon.